The article focuses on ethical compensation in controlled human infection studies, CHIS. Authors argue for fair payments considering lost wages, expenses, and efforts. A study proposed $20,000 for a 6-month hepatitis C CHIS, significantly higher than prior payments. Ethical concerns arise about excessive payments influencing participation. The ICMR stresses altruism but faces opposition, suggesting informed consent and ethical review as pivotal. Experts vary in opinions. Some link compensation to risk, while others emphasize time and effort. Approaches vary globally, from the US to the UK, regarding payment models. The debate revolves around balancing fair compensation without inducing excessive risk-taking behavior among participants.
The Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan (PM Janman) scheme aims to benefit particularly vulnerable tribal groups (PVTGs) in India with a 24,000 crore rupees package. The initiative includes building Pakka homes, connecting roads, and providing various amenities to 22,000 PVTG villages. However, the lack of current data poses a challenge, with no recent census accounting for PVTGs separately. The plan faces criticism for prioritizing infrastructure over the Tribal Affairs Ministry's specific PVTG development scheme. The government aims to implement the program through 9 ministries, focusing on improving living conditions and basic facilities for PVTGs.
The National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB, annual report reveals a 4% rise in crimes against women in 2022, despite an overall decline in the crime rate. Cruelty by husbands or relatives, kidnapping, assault with intent to outrage modesty, and rape were the majority of cases. Activists attribute the increase to persistent patriarchal mindsets and societal attitudes. The rise in reported cases may indicate increased confidence in approaching the police, but implementation challenges persist due to shoddy investigations, slow court processes, and inadequate representation of women in the police force. Delhi recorded the highest rate of crimes against women.
Sultan Ahmad Al Jaber, the COP28 president, faces scrutiny over his role as CEO of Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC, while presiding over climate talks. Critics argue that his connection to the oil industry may hinder progress towards eliminating fossil fuels. Al Jaber defended his position, emphasizing his ability to engage industrialists in climate discussions. The UAE, hosting COP28, faced allegations of facilitating oil deals with 15 countries, which Al Jaber denied. He secured commitments to the Loss and Damage Fund and convinced oil companies to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Al Jaber aims for a historic COP outcome.
Anumula Revanth Reddy, a die-hard Mardona fan and the youngest Chief Minister of Telangana from the Congress Party, defied odds to reach the top political position. Known for challenging Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao after facing jail time in 2015, Revanth has a spirited political career spanning 17 years. A first-generation politician, he switched from the TDP to Congress, leading the party to victory in the 2023 elections with 64 seats. His journey from an independent candidate to chief minister showcases his resilience and ability to capture public sentiment, even after defeat in the 2018 assembly elections.
Google's battle with OpenAI's ChatGPT led to the launch of Gemini, Google's new AI model. Initially, Google struggled against ChatGPT but revealed Gemini, trained to understand images and audio, surpassing traditional language models. It uses Google's proprietary tensor processing units, TPUs, and offers Nano, Pro, and Ultra versions. Impressively demonstrated in videos, Gemini faced scrutiny from researchers finding that ChatGPT-4 matched its abilities in some tasks. Google admitted edited demos and inserted voice prompts, shaping perceptions despite Bard's live demo mishap. Gemini marks a significant shift in AI's direction, amplifying its capabilities beyond a simple chatbot.